Have you ever wished you could slow down aging? Not just with creams or diets, but with the power of your mind. I know it sounds almost magical, but stick with me. Because I want to share how visualization and the law of attraction can help you age more gracefully and feel younger from the inside out. Now, let me start with a story. There was a study where a group of older men were asked to live as if it was 20 years earlier. They surrounded themselves with music magazines and even conversations from that era. After just a week, not only did they act younger, but their posture improved, their eyesight improved, and even joint flexibility improved. Isn't that wild? They literally visualized themselves as younger, and their bodies responded. So how does this work? It all comes down to the law of attraction. What you focus on, you attract. If you constantly tell yourself, "I'm getting old, I'm slowing down," your mind and body will believe it. But if you visualize yourself full of energy with vibrant skin moving freely, your brain starts to rewire itself. You start to notice opportunities to be more active, to laugh more, to take better care of yourself. Here's how you can try this, starting today. Every morning, find a quiet spot. Close your eyes. Picture yourself 5 years younger. Picture yourself 10 years younger. Picture yourself 20 years younger. Imagine the energy in your body, the way you walk, the sparkle in your eyes. Feel it as if it's real, right now. Now here's the key. Don't just see it. Feel it. Feel gratitude for your body, for every breath, for all the things you can do. When you open your eyes, carry that feeling with you. When you look in the mirror, smile at yourself. Speak kindly. Tell yourself, "I am vibrant." Tell yourself, "I am youthful." Tell yourself, "I am aging with grace." And don't just take it from me. There are countless stories of people who've used visualization to recover from illness, to boost their confidence, and yes, to slow down the signs of aging. Your mind is powerful, more powerful than you might believe. So the next time you catch yourself worrying about getting older, flip the script. Use the law of attraction. Visualize your best, most youthful self. And watch how your body starts to shift. And watch how your mood starts to shift. And watch how your life starts to shift. Aging is inevitable, but how you experience it, that's up to you. You have the power to write your own story, starting today. If you found this inspiring, let me know in the comments how you plan to visualize your best self. And remember, you are as young as your mindset.